Okay, in case you don't know what we've been doing here, we've been solving AutoCAD professional exam questions because we have all of the exam questions. So, in case you missed out on our last videos, check out our YouTube channel to watch the videos. Click to subscribe to also get notifications on when our videos will be dropping, or to also gain quality videos as this. So this is the first question we actually solved. This is it. We were asked to find the midpoint. We are asked to find the distance from this point to this point. And this was the second question also. We are asked to find the length of this polygon. After drawing the polygon, we are asked to find the length of this polygon. So to see the third question that we'll be solving for today, okay, go to, let's solve this question here. So we are asked to open our home drawing here. Open this home drawing. Okay. Open the home drawing. Go to start drawing first. Let me turn off my grid mode. Then to the start menu, home drawing. This is the home drawing. Okay. This is the home drawing. So activate the line name view. So let's go to the view tab. Go to named. We want to activate the line name view. So go to view new part. So let's click on line. Okay. So this is the line name view. What is the next instruction give? Let's check. After you open the home drawing, activate the line name view. We are asked to draw a line from point 1 to point 2. Okay, let's draw a line from point 1 to point 2 firstly. To draw a line from this point to this point, go to your home tab, click on the line command, then click from this point to this point, escape, then so we've drawn the line from point 1 to point 2. Okay, so what is the delta x of the line? So let's check. Click on the line, right click to go to properties to see the delta x of the line. So this is delta x of the line. That is 127.5. That's the delta x of the line. So go to your geometrics. 127.5. Okay, add 0 to the end. If you watch our past videos, you know the reason why we added 0 to the end. So I will advise to check our past videos. So next. Oh, that's correct. So a quick one, let me tell you this. Let me go back to this question. Since we are told to draw from point 1 to point 2, make sure you take the point when drawing. Make sure you take the point from year to year. If you draw from point 2 to point 1 instead, your delta x will be showing negative. Should you try that? Let's do that quickly. Okay, let's do that quickly. Activate the line command again. Then do this like this. Okay, then escape. Then let's go to properties. Delta x. You see, delta x is now showing negative, minus 127.5. So, you see, so if you're inputting minus 127.5 here, you definitely fail it. You will get it wrong. So let's try that. So just make sure to follow the instruction from line 1 to from point 1 to point 2 instead, not from point 2 to point 1. So let's see that. You see, that's incorrect. So make sure to follow the instruction from point 1 to point 2. And if you master this video, as I always say, you'll be able to sit for a professional exam and also get a professional certificate. To see the list of professional certificates of our past ones. Check out our Facebook page. You'll see the link to our Facebook page in the YouTube description below. Click on the description to go to our Facebook page. You'll see the professional certification from Autodesk Company on AutoCAD 2D. So make sure to check out our Facebook page. Turn on notifications to get the notifications on our videos. Also, turn on notifications for our YouTube channel to also get notifications on when our next videos will be dropping.
These are certificates our students get from Autodesk through MAGS Engineering. If you need training on AutoCAD and other engineering software such as Aspen HYSYS, Revit, PNID, and others, or if you already have apt training on this software, you can get its professional certification. Allow us to be your guide. Reach us at admin@magsengineeringlimited.com. Contact at magsengineeringlimited.com.